How do you import your footage inside Adobe Premiere Pro? Now, there are actually multiple ways to import footage. The most obvious way is to go to the menu, File, and then choose Imports. Locate your folder with video clips. Select everything and click on Import. A different way that we can import footage is by double-clicking in the Projects panel. Now, I honestly use this method the most. We get the same window from which we can select and import media files. A third way is by locating the media browser. Now, if you can't find this panel, you can always go to the menu on top, choose Window, and from there select Media Browser. From here you can simply browse through your computer files and locate the media files that you would like to add. Select them, right-click, and choose Import. And then the final way to import is by simply dragging your footage from your Explorer window or Mac Finder to the project panel. And that's it. Now, sometimes you'll get an error which says that the imported media file isn't supported. If this happens, then check which kind of file that you were trying to import. Some file types like the .mkv type, for example, are not supported by Premiere and can therefore not be imported. You can try to find a converter to convert the file type to the one that is supported, such as a .mp4, 8mov, etc. Now make sure to also check out our in-depth course about Adobe Premiere Pro